he's here to say hi too. Mr. Nunu, say hi. Say hi. Hi everyone, so oh my, today we're gonna do another Taobao homeware haul. I know you guys enjoyed the last one and frankly I had enjoyed it too. So I thought I'd show you guys specifically recommendations for cocktails and coffee. I think ever since the pandemic we've really looked towards like coffee and cocktails and being able to make like bar and cafe standard stuff at home. And I'm sure you guys know, I'm sure you guys have it marked on your calendar like I do, but 11/11 is coming up, which means Taobao's biggest sale of the year. The 11/11 sale, okay? And it's perfect because like I'm planning to get a lot of stuff this time around, just in time for the move, right? So I'm gonna share with you guys some deals as well, okay? Don't say I never tell you, So let me take a look. First of all, if you're waiting for 11/11 to start shopping, I feel like you've already lost out a little bit because there is actually a pre-sale happening from 4th to 10th of November. You can actually chope pre-sale deals with your credit card and collect up to, I think, 111 yuan hongbaos, okay? Hongbaos. And then on the day itself, you go crazy. You can also use cross-shop discounts. So on Tmall, I think if you spend 200 yuan, you'll get 30 yuan off. You can also tap into the Taobao app and snatch up to 888 yuan hongbao, 3% waiver vouchers, bank promotions, payment vouchers, and so much more. I'll leave a link below in case you want to check out exactly what promotions are going on because they're just like too many to say. And remember, discounts are stackable with promo codes and shop vouchers, so it's even more bang for your buck. And if you're new to Taobao, before carting out, you can use the code 2021NEW and you can get 20 yuan off a minimum spending of 21 yuan. So there's $1. I also have a promo code, by the way, so link in the description. Another hack is to use the 299 yuan free shipping zone that Taobao has, so you can enjoy free cross-border shipping from China to Singapore without paying for like the additional shipping fees from consolidated shipping, as long as you spend a minimum of 299 yuan. All you gotta do is switch your Taobao app location to Singapore and then check out with a Singaporean address, which I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna do anyway, so you can enjoy this promotion. And finally, I just found out about this one. I don't know if it's new. I think it is. I've just found out about it. It's the Taobao direct delivery service. You can pay for your products and the shipping fees together at checkout, and then your entire order will just be shipped directly to you in Singapore. So there's no second payment for shipping. I've gone through this before where I've forgotten to make the second payment and then my stuff is just stuck at the warehouse and then like it just takes a while longer. So obviously like this is great news for me, and with this it's a lot less hassle, and all you have to do is again set your Taobao app location to Singapore and then check out with a Singapore address. That's it. And with that, let me give you some recommendations for what you might want to get, okay? We're gonna like start with the biggest thing first. This is a warm and hot water dispenser. And it's like a little mini tank. Personally, right, I love drinking warm water. Even when it's really hot outside, I think it's just really soothing for the throat. So this is really great because then I can just have like hot or warm water anytime. So this is what it looks like. I will also leave all the product links in the description, but let me just refer to it. So it retails for 399 yuan. It holds up to 3 liters of water, and you can basically put like fruit infused stuff if you want to. I guess if you have a baby, like this would be very useful to you also. You can also brew like big batches of teas and stuff. And for me, right, I'm very excited because I feel like this would be really great for me to mass brew like teas before I put it into my kombucha, you know, because you gotta like, you know, have sweet tea. So I think this will be fantastic lah. I already have so many uses for it. Alright, by the way, I've started using it already, so I thought I would show you guys how it works. So it's on like a warm water, 保温, right? So keep it warm setting, and then with the child lock off, it can dispense water very easily. Yes, look at that perfect warm water. Love it. This button actually means dechlorinate, so it'll repeatedly boil for like 3 minutes to get rid of chlorine. And then this is to have boiling water, and this is how you remove it. Yep, pretty cool. It's very, very sanitary as well because everything is covered, right? Ooh, I just love it so much, and it's a really cute like warm white kind of pinkish beigey hue. I like it. Oh my, it's super cute. Okay, speaking of hot water. I'm assuming for coffee lah. Why would you like heat up your alcohol, right? That's so strange. I'm not sure if I'll be using more than I will be probably giving this as a Christmas present to some of my coffee drinking friends. But this is really cool. This is a vehicle coffee machine. The joy of living comes from what we put into living, not from what we seek to get from it. Ooh, wise words. Okay, whoa, there's like, actually, you know what? It's really sleek and nice. This is also not cheap, you know, like it's a very nice luxe product. It's 299 yuan. So it detaches like... I'm so excited to show you guys. Okay, this is coming from someone who has no idea how to work coffee pods. Okay, I've only like went to the Nespresso machine, pressed one button and like hope it works. This will do that as well. Okay, first things first, you remove this, right? This could be your cup also if you so wish to, but I mean, why would you use this when you can like use a nice glass cup, you know? I mean, this would be great if you are in the car and you're just kind of like, meh. Basically, you put your pod here, and then this is like a little puncture, right? The foil facing up, and then it'll puncture. So when you screw it on, so then after that, you just put in some water in here, your designated amount, and then remove this yellow bitty bit, use the cable, plug the cable in, and then you press the start button. There's only one button. It's a very nice like rubberized button, and then this is where your Nespresso will shoot out from, and then you can like basically put it in here, or you can put it in like a nice glass. And that is your go-to Nespresso cup thingy. So yeah, super handy dandy, and it looks cute also. I think it's a good like office gift, especially if you want to like have your own sanitary little corner, right, to make your own coffee. This is from the same brand, and this is an electric milk mixer. So you might think, Brenda, you say you don't like coffee, you say you're lactose intolerant, why are you so excited about this milk frother? You know why? It's because I love a good chai latte, and I love like frothy soy and almond milk. I don't know, like I've never really had one before. Look at how cute it is, okay? It's just a little milk frother. And then it has like a beaker, very science, very experiment. Can you imagine if I break this right now? How can you see it? So this is what it looks like. It goes all the way up to 450 milliliters, but Milk Max, do you see it? Okay. Milk Max, 150 ml. So then, put it in, and it just goes. Oh! So it's also battery operated, so you don't have like annoying cords and stuff, and I believe it's AA. Yeah, I can make my chai tea lattes. This milk frother is 58 yuan, which I think like would be around $12. Yeah, it's like really cute and really compact as well. Sad my face. So I love it. I love a good milk frother. With that, let me move into the cocktails category now. Okay, these are whiskey glasses, and they have baubles at the bottom. So with this ball in the middle, you can easily like swirl your drink to release the aromas and enhance the taste of your drink. I know people who are really into their whiskeys will really enjoy this. It just seems like such a nice sculptural piece. It's not so, I'm like just trying to Beyblade it, but it's really not so intense that it will, you know, topple, unless you're filling it more than like, I want to say 3/4, yeah, of you're swishing it like really fast. And I think these are just so beautiful. I drink out of these ones as well. Like I drink water and like my juices and stuff like that out of these glasses as well. Life is too short to drink out of like ugly drinking glasses. No. And the best part is these are only 980 yuan. Less than 10 yuan, and 10 yuan is like what? $2? Alright, another thing that you can enhance your drink with is with these rose ice makers. So basically the molds are like that, and then you pour the water from the top here, and then you just let it solidify. Because it's silicone, it's really easy to remove, and then you can just like pop them out, squeeze them out. These are 36 yuan, so again, very affordable, a beautiful like mint color. And this is what it looks on the inside, and you'll be able to make like really beautiful like single rose ice right here on the rocks or on the rose. This would be great for parties. This would be great for like, you know, a night of relaxation if you want to treat yourself. This is very like TikTokable, I feel. right? Remember the flower soap dispenser? This is the new thing, I feel. Wow, so pretty. Last but not least, I'm pretty excited about this because I actually got this, I think 1 or 2 years ago. I don't drink that often, and like I was trying to like declutter and save space, so I actually sold mine off on Carousel. But Mavis got really sad because she was like, oh my god, I was planning like a surprise cocktail for you, because Mavis used to bartend. I love mojitos, so she was gonna make me this like very special, like not really strong mojito. So then when I sold it, like she got a little sad. So then this is great because now I have another set. And honestly, like when you go online and you see other cocktail shaker kits, they are all so expensive and they look the same. So this is a 10-piece cocktail kit. It's this beautiful like wood. It's varnished and everything, like sanded, like very smooth, beautiful, kind of like science lab vibes. And then we have the muddler. This is the stirring spoon. Oh, this is probably here. Yeah. There are also tongs. This is like the alcohol liddy thing for pouring. The strainer. Yeah. Doing pretty good so far. And then this is like a measuring cup. And then we also have the shaker. Yeah, and it also comes with a bottle opener. I noticed like this is a little small and smaller than the last one that I got, and it turns out that there are actually 3 different variations on the listing, so you can get the small, medium or large. There are like 2 bigger sizes than this, but for me this is great lah. It's actually less bulky and then it's still kind of cute, and like we said, we don't really drink a lot, so it's gonna be cute. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you found it useful or a little, you know, inspired to pick up more things for your home. And thank you so much for joining me on this video. If you liked it, don't forget to click the thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every week, and so don't forget to turn on your notifications, and I'll be back next week with a new one. Bye!